In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make music automatically play on Google Slides. This process is straightforward and can enhance your presentation significantly. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, locate the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a small grid of squares. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu of Google services. This is an important first step because it allows you to access Google Slides quickly. Once you click the icon, you'll find various options, including Google Drive, Gmail, and more. This ensures you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Next, click on Slides. This action will take you directly to the Google Slides interface. Here you can create new presentations or access existing ones. Clicking on Slides is essential because it is where you will be adding your audio files. You'll notice the familiar layout of your Google Slides where you can start working on your presentation. Once you are in Slides, you are one step closer to adding those musical touches to your project. Now, open your presentation in Google Slides. You can do this by selecting the presentation from your list of recent documents or by browsing through your Google Drive. It's crucial to have your specific presentation open so you can insert music into the right context. As you navigate to your presentation, the familiar slides will appear. This is where you can visualize how the music will enhance your slides and engage your audience. From there, select the specific slide where you want the music to start. This step is important because it determines where the audio will play during your presentation. Click on the slide in the left sidebar to highlight it. You'll see the slide appear in the main viewing area. This visual cue helps you confirm that you are on the right slide, ensuring your music plays exactly where intended. Next, click Insert in the top menu bar. Then click Audio. The Insert menu is where you can add various elements to your slides, including images, videos, and of course, audio. Clicking on Audio brings up a dialog box that allows you to choose your music file. This step is crucial as it opens the door to integrating sound into your presentation, which can create a more immersive experience for your audience. After that, select your audio file from your Google Drive and click Insert. Make sure your audio file is already uploaded to your Google Drive in either MP3 or WAV format. This step is vital because the right file format ensures compatibility with Google Slides. Once you insert the audio, you will notice a silver speaker icon appearing on your slide, confirming the audio has been successfully added. A silver speaker icon will appear on your slide. Click it to select it. This icon indicates that your audio file is attached to that particular slide. Selecting the icon allows you to adjust various settings related to the audio playback. This visual representation of your audio file reassures you that the music is linked and ready for configuration. Click Format Options in the top toolbar to open the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. This panel is where you can customize how your audio behaves during the presentation. Accessing the Format options is essential for configuring playback settings to suit your preferences. The Settings panel will provide you with various adjustment options to enhance the audio experience. Next, expand the audio playback section. This section is specifically designed for managing audio settings. By expanding it, you can access options that dictate how and when your audio plays. This is important because it gives you control over the audio experience, ensuring it aligns with your presentation flow. Finally, under Start Playing, change the setting from On-Click to Automatically. This adjustment ensures that your music will play automatically when you reach that slide. Changing this setting is crucial for a seamless experience as it allows the music to enhance your presentation without requiring additional clicks. Once you've made this change, your setup is complete and ready to impress your audience.